Hey!
What are you doing?
So it's Daddy's birthday, January 5th, which you already know. And Danica's going crazy with the legs on the horse. Hi, Danica! Is she pushing it by herself? Wow. So Danica is exactly 1 year and 6 weeks old today. Yay. Hi, Mama! Oh, you see that face?
Yeah.
Keep going, sweetie. It's okay. Look. Danica? She just woke up, so she got the wild chicken hair. This is her horse from Grandma and Grandpa Kirby. Yeah, oh, she's going off. She's decided to let herself loose. Look how good she is at getting off, and then she's gonna walk. Is she trying to get back on, honey? What's she doing? Oh, look at her, honey. She doesn't know. I don't think she knows. Did you hear that? She went, rah! Come here, you gotta get your buns on there. Oh! I think she wants off. She wants off to play with the tail, maybe. Look at these curls. Look at those curls. I'm sure right now you're 16 years old and you're like, yeah, Mom, this is really cool to see my curls. Look at you, big girl. Get back on. B. There's Daddy. Birthday, Dad. Dad hasn't taken a shower either. Oh, there's the horse. Okay, Daddy says shut it off. Mama has